Hey, thanks for watching tonight. I am going to show you how to put mineral oil on a piece of wood. These are my charcuterie boards that I make. There is a special technique and process to this that I am going to go ahead and show you. So this is the mineral oil that I purchased. Got it off of Amazon. It seems to work pretty good. You can also use butcher block oil. It's essentially the same thing. Just make sure the ingredients say mineral oil on the back and you should be good to go. So here are two identical pieces of wood, and I'm just going to show you how I do this. You never want to put the mineral oil directly on your wood. I'm actually going to show you the difference. That's why I have two of these out here. So you never want to put the mineral oil directly on your wood. Well, of course mine just spilled on my wood, but which is fine, but you don't want to spray it on. So you just put it on your rag and just lightly kind of paint it on. And I've seen some people use and you kind of want to use quite a lot. I've seen some people use like a foam paintbrush, and that works fine too. But this method is how I've been using it, or I've been doing it, and it seems to work real well. So we're just going to go ahead and lightly coat that. And we're back, and we've let that dried for about a half hour now. This is, you can kind of tell, this is the one that has been had mineral oil put on, and this one does not. You can kind of see it has a duller finish, especially in person. It's kind of hard to tell, I guess, on the video, but this one has a more vibrant finish, and this one is duller, and you can feel, like, you know, little slivers of wood in there, which I usually sand down. I just wanted to show, oh, of course I'm getting little prints on there, but so now you can see the difference. I guess this isn't quite dry, but this is the difference between finished and unfinished wood using the food grade mineral oil. And this is completely safe to eat on as well. So hope you enjoyed. Have a great day.